This will be a story-driven, powerful narration mixing the symbolism of the Camaro with life lessons inspired by Denzel Washington's motivational style. It should feel cinematic, emotionally charged yet also factual about the Camaro's heritage, because 3,500 words is very long for a single reply. I'll structure the script in parts so you can use them for your video. Step by Steverus. Part 1. Narrator. Deep, steady motivational tone. There is a sound you never forget, the roar of an engine that reminds you of power, purpose and persistence. The Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a car, it is a symbol of grit, of fire, of chasing dreams even when the world tells you it can't be done. Today as you listen, remember this: life, just like the road, will test you, but if you keep moving forward, if you keep your engine alive, nothing can stop you. Narrator. When Chevrolet introduced the Camaro in 1966, it wasn't just about building another vehicle. No, it was about making a statement. At that time the world was changing. Muscle cars were dominating the streets and America was obsessed with speed, with freedom, with breaking boundaries. The Camaro stepped onto the scene not quietly but boldly. It was designed to compete with the Mustang, to prove that Chevrolet could match and surpass the competition. Those that sound familiar in your life too. You will face competition. Someone will always be ahead of you, stronger than you, smarter than you, but the Camaro teaches us a timeless lesson. You don't need to be first to be great. You need to show up with courage, with determination, with fire, and rewrite the rules. Narrator. Denzel Washington once said, without commitment you'll never start, but more importantly without consistency you'll never finish. Think about that. The Camaro has been through decades of trials, changes in the auto industry, oil crises, recessions, even years where production was halted. In 2002 Chevrolet stopped making the Camaro. The critics said it was the end. The dream was over, but the Camaro came back in 2010. It returned with a vengeance, more powerful, more stylish, more determined. That comeback is a lesson for every single one of us. Setbacks are not the end, sometimes they are the foundation for the greatest comeback of your life. Narrator. Look at the Camaro's design: low, wide, aggressive. It doesn't apologize for what it is, and that is what you need in your life. Too many people spend their days trying to blend in, trying not to upset anyone, trying to play it safe, but life rewards the bold. The Camaro doesn't whisper, it roars, and when you walk into your own life you have to do the same. Walk with purpose, speak with conviction, chase your goals with fire. Narrator. Denzel Washington tells us dreams without goals remain dreams. The Camaro wasn't built by accident, it was the result of vision of engineers who dreamed of building something that would last generations. Every line, every curve, every horsepower under the hood, it all began as a dream, then became a goal, and then became reality. So ask yourself, what is your Camaro? What is the dream you've been holding back on? Because until you put it into action, until you map the steps, until you take that first move, it will remain just that, a dream. Narrator. Listen to that engine. That is not just noise, that is the sound of persistence. The Camaro doesn't care if the road is smooth or rough, it was built to handle the journey. And in your life you need the same mindset. Don't pray for an easy life, pray for the strength to endure a hard one. Don't wait for the road to be perfect, drive through the imperfections, because here is the truth. Life will never hand you the keys to success. You have to build your own engine, fuel it with discipline and drive it with faith. Narrator. Every Camaro carries history, from the first generation models of the late 60s to the legendary Z28s and SS trims, each one is a reminder that greatness is built step by step, version by version, year by year. You don't become legendary overnight. Denzel Washington reminds us ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship, and that is what the Camaro shows us. Its journey wasn't easy. It faced competition, criticism, even extinction, but hardship didn't break it, it made it stronger, and so it will be with you. Every setback, every rejection, every failure, it is not the end of your road, it is fuel, it is building you into the person you were meant to become. A narrator. Imagine this: you're behind the wheel of a Camaro, the open road stretches before you, the sun is rising, painting the horizon in fire, the engine growls beneath you, ready to unleash its power. That is life, wide open, full of possibilities. But here is the key: you have to drive it. Nobody else can take the wheel for you, nobody else can accelerate for you. If you sit in park, you will go nowhere, but if you press down, if you commit, if you believe, if you push through the fear, you will feel the rush of progress, the thrill of freedom, the power of purpose. A narrator. Motivational. The Camaro teaches us the simple truth: it is not about where you start, it's about how you finish. And if you want to finish strong, you need courage, you need faith, you need relentless drive. Denzel said it best: fall forward, not backward, not standing still, forward. Even when you fall, make sure you're falling in the direction of progress. So today, remember the Camaro, remember its raw, remember its comeback, and remember this: your life too can be legendary if you refuse to quit. Word count 910. Would you like me to continue with part 2, where I dive deeper into the Camaro's racing heritage, personal growth lessons, and more Denzel style motivation? Or do you prefer me to first give you an outline of the whole 3,500 word script before continuing?